All right, we got a customer here. They just spent about $3,000 on some condenser fan motors, 2 of them. And not quite ready to replace the unit. Try to get them to replace the unit. I'm gonna put another quote in on replacing the unit, but when I first got here, they was complaining about no heat. It's 70 degrees now. It's supposed to be like 32 degrees here midweek. So they're gonna need some heat. So when I first got here, the air conditioning, or the compressors and the fans was running, and the heat was running at the same time. You see the inducer fan motor, but I figured out that problem. Somehow the wire was touching W1. It was touching right here because a lot of people try to jump the unit out. So now, first thing I found was it's going to need an inducer fan motor. It was also condensate inside of here, because I already put this panel back on, but I had to flush the drain lines out because it's a bunch of rust that was clogging up this trap. So I got that flushed out. It's draining good now. Got nitrogen both ways. Like I said, I don't know if that's the reason why. Well, I do. So anyway, that condensate drain line was overflowing inside this drain pan, and it was leaking back inside this heater section. But anyway, I'm going to condemn this unit. You're going to spend a lot of money with this heater section. Like I say, I already put close to $4,000 on just the fan blades and the fan motors. Now you're gonna need an inducer blower motor, but the heater does run, but he also need a heat exchanger. So I already, as you can see the bearings on here. I don't know if you can see it, but you can hear it. So you can see the heat exchanger. Kind of scared me there, boy. That blower kicked in, but anyway, it's heating. But I'm gonna cut it off and tell him he need a heat exchanger. They got those big holes in the bottom. Like I say, it is heating, but I'm gonna get ready to shut it off. I'm gonna unplug the heat, the W1 and W2. He can run the air conditioning as long as he wants to, but I don't think they're gonna want to invest the money in a heat exchange on this old unit. The guy told me when he changed the condenser fan motors out, when he was ordering them, he had a hard time trying to find the, I think Insco sell these York parts. They had a hard trying to find the part for it. But I'm trying to see. It's hard to see the model number, serial number. Look like a D2, maybe a 2002, but I think it's older than that. I think it's a 97. Yeah. November 1997. So this unit was about 23 years old. And I mean, it had his day. Like I said, I don't think he wanted to put no more money in it. I would just for fun close it up and go down there and do a carbon monoxide test on it, but I ain't gonna worry about it. Like I said, I'm just gonna shut it down. So you can hear the bearing's gone in that inducer motor. Looks like a double shaft. So we need to replace this whole thing. So all I'm going to do is probably take the W1 and W2 out of this board here and let him know that he can't run the cooling. So hopefully we just got a couple more cold days. Like I said, if it'll be March 2020 in about a week from now. So hopefully this unit will get them through the summer, but they're gonna have to think about replacing these units. And all right, that's it for me. It's been kind of slow, but we've been staying steady. Like I said, I haven't been dropping too many videos. I gotta learn. I gotta be careful on what I put out on YouTube. Like I say, when I first started putting videos out, you know, I had a couple subscribers, and I was kind of still do it just for the people that's interested in HVAC, and just try to help out as much as I can. So 99.9% of the people out there that follow me got good intentions, want to see well, want to see me do well, and like I said, and I try to drop videos for people to do well in life and in the trade. Like I say, you got 1% of people, they can either be trolls or just want to see you not succeed in life for whatever reason. Like they got that thing jumped out. There used to be a switch right there too. But anyway, like I said, I've been dropping videos probably 2 years now. And like I say, the more you grow, that's one thing about YouTube. It's not like Facebook where you got to put your profile picture up or put your name. You can kind of create whatever. You can put whatever kind of picture you want up for your what they call the avatars. You can kind of create your own name, so people really don't know who the trolls is. You don't know who following you or who watching you at all times. So I mean, since I've been putting videos up, well recently I put a video up. It was a company that I was with. They dropped me because one of them, probably not even a subscriber of mine, contacted the company and said that I was posting videos up. So that contractor emailed me, say he was the director of the insurance company that I was doing work with, and told me to take the video down, which I did, and which I don't mind. But they dropped me anyway. Said, you know, and even the video that I posted, I didn't share any of the people information. I didn't. I just showed really the damage that was done to the house or whatnot. But anyway, they dropped me because, like I say, one of my viewers contacted them. So I mean, like I say, which I don't mind. Like I say, when I have no malicious intent of doing anything wrong. Like I say, I don't recall signing anything to say I couldn't post video of my work or whatever. But I can kind of understand what they saying, that they don't want the people that putting out a claim, they don't want that information shared or whatnot. So I mean, like I say, I lost that I can call it income, but like I say, when you have no malicious intent of doing anything wrong, I have more blessings coming down the pipeline in the future. So uh, uh, so anyway, like I said, I have to be careful what I putting out, because that did affect some income that I was putting in. So I'm not gonna be able to show everything that I do, because I used to would put pretty much it. I almost I used to drop videos on a daily, then everything that I was doing. But like I said, I can't do that now, because here in the future, I don't want the companies or the contractors that I'm working for or subbing for. I don't want people to find out who I'm working for and contact them and saying that I'm posting videos. So like, if any warranty company that I'm doing work for, like I said, I have to be very careful of sharing that information. I mean, like I said, I've been doing videos a couple years. I have people reach out to the employer that I'm working for, saying that I was doing videos. I mean, I had people, I guess they'll see my company van that I'm working for. They'll get the information or phone number or whatever off there. And I mean, I had people contact, even got a job, and really didn't let me know until they got the job. I could have got a referral bonus or anything. Cause a lot of companies, they give you like $500 if you refer somebody to the company. Which I don't mind, but like I say, you don't know who. I don't know who watching the videos, and even if this helps somebody out, or you thinking about making videos, be careful what you post, because you really can't post everything out there. Even if you have good intentions and trying to help people out, sometimes I have people email me, wanting information, and I really do try to help out as much as I can. But at the end of the day, I don't know who I'm speaking with, even if it's email or over the phone. So I got to be careful on what kind of information that I give out. Like I said, I know 99% of the people, really want the information, don't mean no harm. But I can be giving information out to somebody, and they can be doing whatever they want to do with it, to try to hurt me, or try to do whatever they can do to try to bring me down. So like I say, the people that emailing me, if I stop emailing you on information, it could be for a warranty company, or I can show you the ins and outs and try to tell you what I do know. But at the end of the day, I'm trying to make a living out here, trying to grow my business on the side, and try to provide for my family at the same time. So like I say, with that being said, I'm still going to make videos, but probably won't be making nearly as much as I was. But everybody have a blessed one. I'm gonna wrap this up. I got a couple more units to look up on this roof. I'm going to write a quote on this one, see what they want to do. But I would suggest that they replace this unit. Like I said, I got to shut the heater down on it. Matter of fact, go ahead and cut this gas valve off. And yeah, that's it, dog. Like I said, I wanted to go ahead and share that information. Like I said, I wish the best. I know 99.9% of the people wish the best for me also, but you have those few that try to, whatever their intentions are, that's what they're about. So I'm out though.